Hello! Yes, how are you doing, friends? Are you okay? Yes, let's warm up. Warm up, warm up, warm up, warm up, warm up. Yes. Let's sing our song, Roly Poly. Who knows that song? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly, wave, wave, wave. Roly poly, clap, clap, clap. This is yes, yes, yes. This is no, no, no. This is big, big, big. This is small. Oh, is this? No. This is small, small, small. This is short, short, short. This is tall, tall, tall. This is no, no, no. Is this no? This is no. And this is yes. Well done, friends. So today we are going to learn about something special. But then, let's sing it one more time. Let's sing our song one more time. Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly, slow, slow, slow. Roly poly, fast, 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 fast. Yes, friends. That's enough for today. Now, let's go straight to our special friend today. Yes. But guess what? I came with a story. I came with a story. I cannot wait to tell you, friends, about my story. Yes. Aha. It is a sunny day. A little boy takes his dog on a walk. Takes his dog on a walk. A boy. The boy throws a stick. And the dog runs after the stick. The dog sniffs around. Everyone sniffs around. And it starts barking. Woof, 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 woof. A large snake sitting and hissing with its two fangs like this. And then the little boy grabs his dog. And you know what happens? That large snake slowly slithers away. The large snake slowly slithers away. Oh, making sounds all over the place. Slithering. Everyone make that sound while slithering your hand like this, waving your hand. What happens next? The little boy stands singing. The snake is in the grass. 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 The snake was in the grass making sound. Making sound. Good job. Now, friends, who would like to see how the snake looked like? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Some people are cheating. I see you. Close your eyes. All right. Ta-da! Open your eyes. We have our snake. We have our snake. Oh my God. I'm scared. I'm scared of snakes. A snake is a dangerous animal. If you see a snake, you have to run. You have to walk away. You run, run, run. A snake says, a snake says, well done. So friends, do you You want to see how our little sound looks like? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open. Ta-da! We have our letter S. It says sound S. It says S. This is our sound S. This is our sound S. It's also letter S. Letter S says S. But guess what, friends? Sounds has other friends. Apart from the snake, it also has the sun. The sun. Oh, what is this? It's a sun. A sun is a friend to sound. A friend to sound. Okay, friends, what else do you see? Oh, we have a snail. We have a snail. A snail is also a friend to sound. A friend to sound. Do you know why? It's because the word sun starts with sound and then the word snail starts with sound. Okay, friends, who else can think of someone think of another friend to sound I think there is something that we love eating. Oh, a sandwich. A sandwich is also a friend to sound. After here, I'm gonna go and ask my mommy to get me a sandwich. Oh, okay. So now we are going to write sound S in the air. Are you ready? Put your finger in the air. Put your finger in the air, in the air. Yes, yes. Let's go. A curve backward and a curve forward. Don't move your head. Put it back. A curve backward and a curve forward. Okay, you're a good girl. You're a good boy. Okay, now we are going to look at the words that starts with sound. The words that start with sound. Okay, friends? Yes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Ta-da! Here we have a bunch of words, right? How many are they? Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, and 4. What? There are 4 words. Okay, this is what we are going to do. We are going to rub. We are going to remove all the words that don't have sounds. The words that don't have sounds, we don't need them. We are going to cross them out. All right? Huh? This one. We have the word dog. The word dog doesn't have sounds, so we are going to cross it out. Let's go. Yeah, like that. It's out. It doesn't have sounds. Which other word you see doesn't have sounds? Which one? This one? No. This one? No, this one has. This one? Yes, this one doesn't have sound, so we don't need it. We're gonna cross it out with our hands. You help me cross it out. It's too hard. Did we go? Yes, we've crossed it out. Now, let's try reading our words with sounds. The word is sun. The word is sun. The word is sun. All right. Now let's read a word. Who can guess this word? Ache. Ache. word is snake. The word is snake. It starts with sound. S. It starts with sound. S. Thank you so much, friends. Now, this is what you're going to do for me. You're going to get a paper at home, ask for a paper, and try writing for me sounds. It looks like a snake. A curve backward and a curve forward. That's what you're gonna do for me. Also, you are going to look for all the friends that are in the house that start with sounds, right? Yes. Thank you so much. I love you. You love me. We a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Bye bye. See you next time.